અભ્યુદય ટ્યુશન ક્લાસીસ સેમેસ્ટર ફર્સ્ટ ઇંગ્લિશ યુનિટ 1 ક્લાસ 8 વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો આપણી પાસે યુનિટ 1 જે છે એ છે આઈ વિલ બી ડેટ, હું તે બનીશ. અહીંયા તમને અલગ અલગ પંક્તિઓ જેને સ્ટેન્જા કહેવામાં આવે છે એ સ્ટેન્જામાં તમને વિદ્યાર્થી એટલે કે કોઈ બાળક જે છે એને શું થવું છે, શું બનવું છે એને સંલગ્ન બધા પ્રશ્નો પૂછેલા છે. કવિતાનું આપણે અહીંયા વાંચન કરશું અને તમને કોઈ પણ સ્પેલિંગ અઘરો જણાય એ તમે નોટબુક્સમાં લખીને મને વોટ્સએપ અથવા તો કોમેન્ટ કરી દેશો. અને બીજી ખાસ વસ્તુ કે આપણે અહીંયા અંગ્રેજીના કોઈ પણ યુનિટનું ગુજરાતી નથી કરવાના, આપણે અંગ્રેજીના દરેક યુનિટને ઇંગ્લિશમાં જ સમજવાનો પ્રયત્ન કરવાનો છે, એટલે આપણું અંગ્રેજી જે છે એ પાકું અને સુદૃઢ બની જાય. એક્ટિવિટી 1, રિસાઇટ આફ્ટર યોર ટીચર. I told them, when I grow up, I am not going to be a scientist or someone who reads the news on TV. No, I want to be free. I am going to be a tree. They said, you can't. No, you can't be that. I told them, when I grow up, I am not going to be an airline pilot, a dancer, a lawyer, or a doctor. No, huge whales will swim in me. I am going to be the ocean. They said, you can't be that. No, you can't be that. I told them, I am not going to be a DJ, a computer programmer, a musician or a beautician. No, streams will flow through me. I will be the home of eagles. I will be full of valleys and fountains. I am going to be a range of mountains. They said, you can't be that. No, you can't be that. I asked them, just what do you think I am? Just a child, they said, and children always become at least one of the things we want them to be. Brain pattern. B. Choose and tick the correct options. What does the child want to be in the first stanza? What should swim in the child? Blank has valleys and fountains. The child wants to be a blank in the third stanza. What can the following people do? Discuss in groups. Talk to your group and tell them what you want to become when you grow up. And would you like to become one of the following things? Why? Collect their ideas: the moon, the sun, the star, the sky, and one of your own choices. Read and enjoy. A Key to Heaven, a play. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, આ એક નાટક છે, સ્વર્ગની ચાવી. તેનાલી રામન કરીને જે એક હતા નાટ્યકાર અથવા તો જેને નટ કહીએ, કે જે પોતે વિદૂષક હતા, દક્ષિણ ભારતના પ્રખ્યાત રાજાના દરબારમાં તે પોતે વિદૂષકનું કાર્ય કરતા હતા, નાટ્યકાર હતા, પોતે નાટક કરતા અને તેને મદદથી તેઓ દરેક રાજસભાદારીઓને હસાવતા. તો એને સંલગ્ન જે બીજો કાર્ટૂન સિરીઝનો જે વિડીયો છે તમને આ લિંક સાથે આપેલો છે, તમે લિંક પણ જોવાનું ન ચૂકશો. તમને સમગ્ર યુનિટમાં શું કીધું છે ગુજરાતીમાં કે હિન્દીમાં એ તમે તેમાં જોઈ શકશો. કિંગ્સ કોર્ટ. તેનાલી રામન. Courtier 1 and Courtier 2 are waiting for the king. There is a sound of trumpets and drums. The king walks in and all the courtiers stand up. Tenali Raman and courtiers. Good morning, Your Majesty. The king. Good morning. Where are my ministers today? I will discuss the new road project with them. Courtier 2. Your Majesty, a great sadhu is in our kingdom these days. The ministers are at the sadhu's camp. The king. A sadhu? A great sadhu? Who is this sadhu? I don't know anything about him. Do you know something, Raman? Raman, Your Majesty, I heard about this sadhu. He comes from the Himalayas. He can produce coin, holy ash, and fruits from the air. Courtier 1. And there is a long queue of people in front of his tent every day. They offer him gold coins, clothes, animals, grains, vegetables, and dry fruits. Courtier 2. He can cure any illness by puja, but you need to pay him a big sum for that. The king. Interesting. I want to know more about this sadhu. But you can go now. I will discuss about this sadhu with Raman only. And the courtiers leave. The king. Raman, what do you think? Is he a real sadhu? Good sadhus never charge money for their service. We need to keep watch on this sadhu. Raman. Yes, Your Majesty. I too feel something is wrong. The king. Raman, go to his camp and find out more about this sadhu. Raman, certainly, sir. Scene 2. The village. A sadhu with a long beard and saffron kurta is sitting on a platform under a tree. His eyes are closed. Some people are waiting for him to open his eyes and bless them. Tenali Raman enters and stands among the people. Villager 1. Silence. Look there. The great saint is opening his divine eyes. Everyone bows to the sadhus. Villager 2. Placing a big bag in front of the sadhu. Your Holiness, please accept this sack of rice. Advise me, my lord, how I can become rich. The sadhu makes a sign to his assistant. The assistant takes away the sack. Sadhu to the villager. My dear child, I am pleased with your gift. Now don't worry. I will definitely make you rich. We need to perform a puja at your house. Villager 2. Thank you, Your Holiness. I am so lucky. Please tell me what I need to do. Sadhu. Dear child, now I need only 2 gold coins for the puja. Villager 2. It's alright. I will give you 2 gold coins. Sadhu. बच्चा तेरा कल्याण होगा. Lakshadhipati Bhava. The villager takes out 2 gold coins and gives to the sadhu. Raman is watching this carefully. The sadhu puts the coins into his pocket and blesses the villager. Raman pushes the crowd aside and rushes to the sadhu. He falls at his feet. Raman, Your Holiness, you are the greatest saint in the world. Please bless me. Sadhu, get up, my child. Tell me your problem. Raman, my lord, I have everything in my life. I have a big house, a lot of money, and happy family. But do something so that I can go to heaven after my death. Sadhu, it's very easy for me. Come nearer. Raman goes very near the sadhu. Suddenly, he plucks out a hair from sadhu's beard. Sadhu, ah, ouch! He holds the hair up proudly and addresses the crowd. Raman, I am the luckiest man in the world. I have the magical hair. This hair will take us directly to heaven. He is very holy man. Every hair of his beard is a free ticket to heaven. Villager 2. I also want to go to heaven rather than become rich in this world. Your Holiness, allow me to pluck a hair. Raman goes very nearer. The sadhu suddenly plucks out hair from the sadhu's beard. Sadhu, ah, ouch! He holds the hair up proudly and addresses the crowd. Raman, I am the luckiest man in the world. I have the magical hair. This hair will take us directly to heaven. He is very holy man. Every hair of his beard is a free ticket to heaven. Villager 2. I also want to go to heaven rather than become rich in this world. Your Holiness, allow me to pluck a hair. The sadhu protests a lot, but the villager plucks a hair. He again makes a cry of pain. Villager 3. One for me too. People crowd around the sadhu and scream loudly. Raman, my lord, please don't say no to your followers. Give them a key to heaven. The sadhu tries to escape. He falls down. People run after him. The fake sadhu runs for his life. People chase him. Oh God, stop it, you fool. Raman, so that is the truth about this sadhu. He only wanted your money and gifts. We can't be rich by working hard. We can be rich by working hard. We need not to give our earnings to sadhus like this. Villagers 2. Oh, my 2 gold coins. Raman, don't worry. The king's man will arrest him. Everyone will get his money back. Raman goes back to the court. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, આ સાથે તમારે આની સાથે બીજો જે વિડીયો તમને લિંક સાથે આપેલા છે એ લિંકમાં તમે વિડીયો જોવાનું ખાસ ચૂકશો નહીં. બીજું કે તમને સમગ્ર યુનિટમાં જે પણ સ્પેલિંગ્સ અઘરા જણાતા હોય એ સ્પેલિંગ તમારે લખી નાખવાના છે અને પછી આપે મને તે વોટ્સએપ અથવા તો કોમેન્ટ કરી દેવાના છે. સૌથી વિશેષ છે કે તમારે યુનિટનું જેટલી પણ વખત બને એટલી વખત વાંચન કરવાનું છે. આપણે જેટલું વાંચશું એટલું તમે અંગ્રેજી જે છે સમજી શકશો.